Hello everyone. Today I made these cool bookmarks using popsicle sticks, or you can say ice cream sticks. Yes, you heard it right. These bookmarks are made from ice cream sticks. So let's get started. For this project you can use any color like sketch pen, watercolor, acrylic color. You can make these cool bookmarks using very minimal material. All bookmarks which I am showing in this video are very easy to make. If you like these bookmarks and want to see new bookmarks designs, then comment down below. I would love to make more videos like this one with some new designs. If you like this simple tutorial, then hit that like button. Also, don't forget to share this video with your friends and subscribe for more upcoming videos. Thank you.